Hello and welcome to our channel. This is the fourth video in our Iberian Peninsula journey. If you missed any of the previous episodes, they are linked in the description below. Our final stop in Portugal was the beautiful Algarve region. The Algarve region is the southern part of Portugal where you will find beautiful beaches and magnificent cliff scenery. The landscaping is just absolutely beautiful. We stayed at the beautiful 5-star property, Vila Vita Parc. This property was stunning. It sits on 54 acres with lush subtropical gardens with a coastline. That evening we had dinner at the Boneca Bar Restaurant, which features Portuguese cuisine, and it was pretty good. The next day we drove to Praia da Marina, where we started our hike along the Setting Valleys Trail. We ended our hike in the town of Lagoa, where we caught our kayak tour to paddle along the shore and through the caves, including the famous Boneca Cave. Here is the famous Boneca Cave, which was the highlight of our tour. That kayak tour was an awesome experience because you get to see views that you cannot see from the shore. And after kayaking, we drove about 10 minutes to Boneca Bar. This restaurant is situated in the natural rocky bay of Algarve Seco in the town of Carveiro with dramatic ocean views. And this is where you'll also find the iconic window cave that the locals call Aboneca, one of the most photographed locations in the world. After that beautiful kayak tour and evening at Boneca Bar, that night I started to get ill and I was down for the last 2 days of our trip, unfortunately. I was not able to go on the Lagos private boat sail that I booked for that next evening, nor did I make it to dinner the last 2 nights. So that's why this video is kind of short, because there's a lot of content that we were not able to capture. So the last 2 days we spent relaxing and enjoying the resort, lounging by the pool and strolling down to the beach. It was the perfect way to end our 2-week journey, which started in Barcelona. My recommendation: do not go to Portugal without spending a few days in the beautiful Algarve region. Its unique landscape is a blend of dramatic sea cliffs, beautiful sandy beaches, and the lagoons and rolling hills all make it the perfect vacation. Thank you for checking out our channel. Please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe.